Hello and welcome for a new Portal video on Blender. It's a video where I will make an old ruined portal with stone, and it's totally not the third time I'm recording the audio, it's like the 10th, but anyway, I will try to make this one work. So this portal is made up of big stone bricks. It was one of my first designs on Blender, so it's not very nice, but I think it looks way better than what I made when I started. That is completely normal. I used some boucle and glisse tool. I don't know the English equivalent, so I will say it in French. It's easier for me to make the stone look like they're going out of this portal, like it's not really normal. I could have used the select tool with some random faces. You will see that in some weeks with another spaceship, because I like spaceships. But this is just a portal, so we just need some few bricks and not too much details. I tried using some stone texture, so this works nice. I made that with some geometry nodes. I then placed a ground because the portal is obviously not floating in here. I could, but I'm not. I'm just messing up with the settings to try and make this look like a little garden, a little forest ground. I could have used also Archimesh dynamic like ground, but I don't know how to use that. Right now I can use that better, but before I wasn't able to. And the portal is blue because I thought blue was a good idea. Then I added some vines and I let you with the final result.